Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Engineers Competitive Training Academy. Today, I'll be discussing about the NDA as well as Naval Academy examination paper, that is paper 2. Already paper 1 that has been discussed by various YouTube resources. So please go through whatever the question papers have been given. That is general GAT, that is which is conducted today 6th of September. Total of we have 150 questions within 1 hour that we'll be discussing. So let us see what questions have been given. This set is a D set, so we have been given each and everything in a good manner. So please go through them. This building comprises of 6 houses, 3 parking lots and 1 basement. यहाँ पे जो भी दिया गया है that is spotting error, so you have to find out. So that is this building comprises, whatever the comprises we have, that doesn't follow any preposition. It will be only this building comprises 3 parking lots. So there is no of the comprises 6 houses, 3 parking lots. That is the sentence how we have to maintain. Next we have, I look forward to meet you. Here whatever has been given, the forward has to be followed by the gerund, that is meeting. I look forward meeting you, that is what it has to be. Next we have, I cannot, that is I cannot cope up with this pressure. The word cope we can't use followed by up, so it can only be cope with this pressure. Next we have, I came to this place by walk. It cannot be by walk, it can only be I came to this place on foot. What is the time in your watch? Here you have to remember what is the time by your watch has to be there. So that is the correction what it has got in it. Next we have, the price of my dress is higher than that of yours. So there is no problem in this. You can directly go through whatever has been given. So here whatever it has been given, so that is price of my dress is higher than that of yours. This is correct one. So that is the reason no error in this. My friend's daughter-in-laws have come, no error. Here whatever has been given, the plural will be always daughters-in-law, because it is given as have come, so always my friend's daughters-in-law, that has to be there. Here whatever the prefer is there, always it will be followed by to only. I prefer coffee to tea, like that I prefer seafood to Mediterranean food. That is what exactly it has to be. Next it is given as we were discussing about the issue. Here whatever has been given, we were discussing, instead of about you have to drop out we were discussing the issue. That is the thing you have to use. Dispose of, whatever has been given, you have to use dispose only O single F it has to be. There should not be any kind of double F, because dispose of cannot be there. It can only be dispose of. Here we have the synonyms. The spotting the errors have finished. Synonyms are, she got the divorce within no time. Here the divorce has been given. The synonym is annulment. That means they want some breakdown. Annulment is the right one. He was known for his gentle disposition. That is, here it is given as gentle means amiable. The harder we kick, the better the ball bounces back. Here bounces back it has come, so it obviously recoils. Even the spring recoils. I plan and execute. Execution means it's accomplishing something, to finish, to start something. He listened to me with equanimity. What exactly the equanimity? With the patience. That is what exactly the meaning of equanimity. Next we have, the whole thing was a futile. We knew that futile means useless, that is pointless. He was too cunning for her. That is, as you are aware that cunning means cheater or something like suspicious or dodgy. This decision is crucial for me. Momentous. Here crucial means what? Momentous, very important. The mediate went into a frenzy about the case. Here it is given as berserk, that is crazy. It means going crazy. Frenzy means going crazy or berserk. He has been yearning to go home. That is hankering or desire. That is what exactly yearning means. Here we have the preposition. Whatever has been the preposition, please go through them. Simulations of the 20th century by climate models that exclude the observed increase in greenhouse gases fail to simulate the increase in temperature over the second half of the 20th century. Whatever has been given, it is in greenhouse gases fail has to be there. In extremely poor societies, children can be put to work at a young age. At what age? At a young age. That has to be there. People who are averse to hard work. Here, averse means against. Averse to hard generally do not succeed. So they don't want to work towards hard work. I know her. I have known her for a long time. It is period of the duration is period. So that is for. Here it is given again. I accepted the offer in certain conditions. Whatever the acceptance, it was in certain conditions. She is a woman of humble origin. What? She is a woman of humble origin. This is no cure for the common cold. Obviously, there is no cure for the common cold. I ran into John yesterday. So whatever it has happened, I was ran into John yesterday, and it was a pleasant surprise. My grandmother enjoyed boating in the lovely lake. So in which lake? In the lovely lake. He visits the needy to relieve them from their suffering and poverty. This is what exactly has been given. He visits the needy to relieve them from their sufferings and poverty. Please remember, it's one of the important thing. Whatever the question papers have been compiled from the various sources, so please go through them. If there is a corrections, you can let me know by commenting this section. He nodded absently. Here the antonyms have been given. Absently means that is presently or alertly. I fully believe that the cornerstone of good policy is an electorate that is educated on the national issue. Educated means his opposite is ignorant. For important medical decisions, even finding a doctor you trust is not enough. That is important means that is opposite is trivial, which is of no use. Planets move in their orbits. It means stall means staying at one place. Temperature is a measure of internal energy of an object and is frequently expressed by physicists in units of Kelvin, that is concealed. People argue about why Venus is so much warmer than the Earth, that is here warmer's opposite is colder. Scientists are concerned whether the oceans and land biosphere will take up as much carbon in the future as they presently do, that is indifferent. Concern means here opposite is what? Indifferent. That is what they have been asked. The biggest debate among scientists today is about cloud feedback. That is debate is what? It is, you can tell there is something division. Now agreement is whatever the opposite is given. Now we have the earth climate sensitivity is conventionally defined as the equilibrium temperature increase caused by the doubling of carbon dioxide, that is imperviousness. So sensitivity के opposite क्या है? That is imperviousness. The oceans carry a huge amount of heat. Whatever the huge is given, opposite of that is tiny. Here we have the sequence of arranging the sentences. As you can see, the sentence whatever has been given, PRQS. It means several years ago, Professor Andrew Dessler created an introductory course on eliminate change at Texas A&M University for freshmen and spokesmen. This is what exactly the framing of the sentence. Here we have, I realize that solving the climate change problem will be much harder than solving the ozone depletion problem. So this is what how you have to frame the sentences. Next we have, although the temperature of this layer of the atmosphere should generally track the surface temperature, we must be careful when directly comparing the satellite measurements of temperature. This is what exactly the sentence is. Next we have, the elements heats up glowing like a dark oranges that radiates the visible range, eventually reaching high temperatures. Next we have, two people argue why Venus is so much warmer than the Earth. The first argues that it's because Venus is colder to the sun, so it absorbs more solar energy. The second argues that it is because Venus has a thick greenhouse gas rich atmosphere. How the sentence has to be framed. Next we have, gain sharing plans are now used by more than 1,000 firms in the United States and Europe and are growing in popularity. That is what has to be there. Next we have here what are the sentences that has been given as SRPQ. So that sentence you can directly go through. Adversity, here whatever has been given, that is between friends, which is, again you can directly go through the sentence. There is small I have not got clear of that photograph. So let us see next what we have. Here it is miserable attitude that compels a person to make friends, and a person will to stand to want true friends, without which the world is nothing other than a place of wilderness. So that is sequence is RQPS. Next we have again RQPS, that is the job that never started takes longest to finish. That is what exactly. Next we have the last one, sequencing. Instead of worrying about what you cannot control, shift your energy to what you can create. That is what exactly you have to do towards your career. I request you guys to check playlist. There are more than 2000 question papers have been given for different examinations. You can just have a look and you can see how exactly it has been segregated into various papers. So have a look on that and you can share it to your friends. Let them get benefited. Next we have the Panama Canal that opened in 1914, that bifurcate between Atlantic as well as Pacific Ocean. Next we have the United Nations Charter that was signed by 51 original members of the United Nations in the year 1945 at the San Francisco Conference. You have to remember these guys. Land revenues that records maintained in India have categorized land use into how many categories? That has been categorized into 9 categories. Dry land farming in India is largely confined to areas with the rainfall less than how many centimeters? That is 75 centimeters. If you don't have the rainfall of 75 centimeters, then that is confined to the areas with a rainfall less than 75 centimeters are known as dry land farming. Next we have, for an area to be excluded from the drought prone category, what percentage of its gross cropped area should be under irrigation? That is 30% or more. It has to be more than that, otherwise it will be called as drought prone category. Which one is a current of Pacific Ocean? As you can see, Aglas current is the one which is a current of Pacific Ocean. The duration of monsoon in India extends for an average period of, that is between the 100 to 120 days. It has to be 100 to 120 days for the monsoon in India. Natural vegetation of southeast China, as you can see, it is subtropical broadleaf evergreen forest. This is the what exactly you will find natural vegetation of southeast China. Next we have the cold local wind Santa Ana, which originates from the France, where you can find the maximum less temperature over there. Chinook, we knew that it's a snow eater. Next we have, what was the consequence of permanent settlement on rural society in Bengal? As you can see, a group of rich peasants known as, this is what exactly the answer is. Next, Damin Eco in Rajmahal area, a large area of land demarcated and declared to be the land of Santals. This is what exactly Rajmahal area, it has been declared as a land of Santals. And you have to tell the comment section the statement about the revolt of 1857 which is correct. You have to work out, that is your part of baby. I want you guys to work out and send me in comment section. Which one of the following among was not the Panchshil principle? This one also you have to work out. Who among the following had organized in 1904 a secret society of revolutionaries named Abhinav Bharat? That is V.D. Savarkar. He was the one. The principle that the forming of the new constitution of independent India should be primarily through not solely the responsibility of Indians themselves was the first time considered in the, you have to give the answer. Which one of the major environment issue in Eastern Canada? That is acid precipitation, which is the one major environment issue in the Eastern Canada. The mountain lies in between Caspian Sea and Black Sea. you have to give the name of the mountain. That's your workout. So maximum it has been given, only 4 to 5 questions have been given for you to comment me in this section whether you are aware or not. Baglihar, Dulhasti and Salal hydropower project that have been developed on the river Chenab. Please remember, these 3 projects are developed on the river Chenab. Biosphere Reserve is correct. The idea or Biosphere Reserve was initiated by UNESCO in the year 1973. As you can see, 74, and there are near about 18 designated biosphere reserves in India. So how many we have? 18 biosphere reserves. Direct access to the sea, that is Armenia, but not the Syria as well as Jordan and Azerbaijan. So you have to remember which has got the direct access to the sea, only for the Armenia. The relation between the radius of curvature and the focal length, we knew that r is equal to 2f. Next we have a lemon is kept in water in glass tumbler that appears to the larger than its actual size because of the refraction of light only. Light enters the human eye through the thin membrane called what? Cornea. Name the scientist who first used a glass prism to obtain the spectrum of sunlight. That is Sir Isaac Newton, who had used the glass prism to get the spectrum of sunlight. Next we have the cost of energy to operate as industrial refrigerator that consumes 5 kilowatt power, making 10 hours per day for 30 days. You have to work out like this: total consumption into is equal to P into T into days into cost, that is 6000 kilowatt is the right answer. The statement of magnetic field is not correct. You have to give that answer to them. The statement not correct: heating capacity of biogas is very low. This is what? Not correct. How many covalent bonds are present in a chloropropane molecule having molecular formula, that is C3H7Cl, that is 8 bonds. Next we have the most fundamental characteristic of an element, covalent present in the atomic number. This is what exactly the fundamental characteristic of an element. Neutron has been discovered by James Chadwick. Atomic mass of an element is equal to the sum of the number of protons as well as a neutron. That is what exactly the atomic mass. The element's isotope is used in the treatment of the cancer, that is cobalt 60 is used for the treatment of the cancer. This is what the isotope is, cobalt 60. The cell organelle that may play a role in expelling excess water and wastes in case of unicellular organism. You have to give the answer to these guys. The term describes the practice of growing 2 or more crops simultaneously on the same piece of land, that is intercropping. So this is what exactly happens: growing 2 or more crops simultaneously on the same piece of land, intercropping. The statement is correct about the effects of antibiotics on viruses, that is virus are resist to antibiotics. Chalk and marble are different forms of what? Calcium carbonate. These are the different forms of calcium carbonate. These are made of chalk and marble. The number of maximum electrons in N shell is, that is total we have that 32. How we get 2 and 2? We know that K shell, K everything we have, K, L, M, N, that is what exactly to be remembered. Vinegar is also called acetic acid. We know about that, ethanoic acid. A liquid is kept in a glass beaker. Which one of the following statement is correct regarding the pressure exerted by the liquid column at the base of the beaker? As you can see, the pressure depends on the height of the liquid column. So this is what exactly you have to remember. The statement is not correct regarding the travel of the sound. As we are aware that sound waves can travel through the vacuum, which is wrong. It cannot travel through the vacuum. Deen Dayal Port is located in which place? That is in Gujarat. The city is associated with the Biosafety Protocol to the Convention on Biological Diversity, that is Cartagena. This is what exactly to be remembered. This city associated with the Biosafety Protocol on the Convention on the Biological Diversity 2000, that is Cartagena. Krishna Raj Sagar Dam, it is located on, developed on the river Kaveri. Indian states doesn't share international border with the 2 or more countries, that is Tripura, which will not share with the 2 nations. It's only with the Bangladesh only. It's not 2 nations. According to census in 2011, which of the following is the least populated state in India? That is Punjab, which is the least populated state in India. Next we have the speaker of major Indian languages belong to how many languages families? That is 2. the speakers of major Indian languages belong to how many languages families? That is 2. Which did Gandhiji initially force the technique of Satyagraha? We knew that Gandhiji has come from the South Africa, so it has been originated from South Africa only, the technique of Satyagraha. The Viceroy of India at the time of Gandhi's Dandi March, Lord Irwin was the one. We can see the Irwin Pact during that time. Which one among the following American news magazines was highly susceptible of Gandhiji's Dandi March initially, but within a week completely changed its opinion and saluted him as a saint and statement? That is Time. So this is what you have to remember. This Time magazine that highly skeptical of Gandhiji's Dandi March initially, but within a week completely changed the opinion and saluted him as a saint and statement. That is by the Times magazine. Next we have, in which of the following years were passenger trains introduced in England? That is 1825. Which one of the following is not a component of human male reproductive system? That is cervix. We will find in females, not in the male. Which one is not a reason of decrease in biodiversity? That is maintaining sacred groves. That is what? Not a reason of decrease in biodiversity. The one is not a cause of depletion in groundwater. That is afforestation is the not a cause of depletion in groundwater. The types of radiations has the smallest wavelength, that is microwave has got the smallest wavelength. Next we have the instrument used for detecting the presence of electric current in a circuit is, that is galvanometer is used for the measure of electric current. The one for the following is the largest composition of biogas, that is we will find maximum in methane. The sun appears reddish during the sunrise or sunset. The phenomenon is due to the appearance of, that is scattering of light. You can see the red color has got the maximum wavelength. The lens has the power, that is 2 diopter. The which one of the following about the statement is true? That is, as you can see, whatever has been given, that is power is equal to 1 by f is equal to 0.5 meters will be the right answer. So you have to remember what exactly the, so here plus 0.5 meters, so it is a convex lens, it is not a concave. Concave you have the minus. Here next we have, at nearly 70 degree sodium bicarbonate, that is baking soda, shows the property of gradually decomposing, which makes it usually used in bakery products. The product of decomposition responsible for the use of sodium bicarbonate, that is you will have the carbon dioxide in that whatever you do in the baking with the baking soda. Number of molecules of water of crystallization in copper sulfate, sodium carbonate and gypsum are, as you can see, we have 5, 10 and 12. As you can see how exactly it has been formed. The correct sequence of change in colors when a turmeric stain on white clothes is scrubbed by soap and then washed with water, that is it will form from yellow to reddish brown and then followed by yellow. This is what exactly it happens with the turmeric stain. Next we have the statement regarding bleaching powder and DDT is correct. We will find maximum, you will find the content of chlorine in both the cases. The best example of desiccant is, desiccant means absorbing power is more. So here silica gel, we are aware that even computer packing we have, where you will find the silicon gel packet, small packets, which directly has got the absorbing power the maximum. That is the reason whatever the moisture it can be absorbed by the silica gel. The first mineral acid discovered, that is nitric acid, as well as that has been found by Geber scientist. The refractive index of fused quartz is 1.46 and that of sapphire is 1.77. If Vq is the speed of the light in quartz, Vs is the speed of the light in sapphire. So in the relation is always Vq is greater than the sapphire. Quartz is greater than sapphire. I want you guys to have a look in playlist. You will find nearly 1150 plus videos have been given. So you can have a look. That can be useful for your further preparation if you have missed this time. In case of concave mirror, if an object is kept between the principal and focus and the pole of the mirror, then the statement has been, which is not correct, that is image is formed at infinity, that is the statement which is not correct. New Zealand is considered part of the which one island groups, that is Polynesia. So here it is considered which one island groups, Polynesia group of island, that New Zealand is present. The statement that regard to Pradhan Mantri Krishna Sanchayi Yojana is correct, that is PMKSY was launched during the year between 2015 and 2016. According to the Article 79 of the Constitution of India, which of the following is part of Parliament of India? The House of the People, the Council of the States, as well as the President of India. Together it is the Parliament of India. Lower house, upper house, as well as the President. It is Article 79. Very important, guys. The 5-year plan was first launched in the USSR, Russia. The call of Garibi Hataao was incorporated in the 5th year plan, and here matching list has been given. Faster and more inclusive growth, that is 5th. Faster, more inclusive and sustainable growth is 12th. Correction of disequilibrium caused by the Second World War is 1st. Attaining self-reliance is 11th. This is what you have to remember. Next we have the one of the following directive principles was inserted by the Constitution 42nd Amendment Act in the year 1976, that states that equal justice shall minimize inequalities in income. A common high court for the 2 or more states can be established by a law passed by the Parliament. Here we have, in the year 1928, a committee of Congress leaders drafted a constitution for India. The committee was headed by Motilal Nehru. Which one of the following statements about Jaipal Singh is not correct? That is, he campaigned for a separate state of Chandigarh, which is not at all correct. Next we have, what is the Tikki Mausi? It is a mascot actually. It's a context of malnutrition concerning awareness spread for the children as well as women nutrition. So it is Tikki Mausi is mascot. The theme of the World Tourism Day 2019, Tourism and Better Future for All, is the theme. The following countries has hosted the army exercise, that is TSC and TR, that is hosted by Russia in the year 2019. The country called as country of winds, in the Denmark you will find maximum wind turbines which produces maximum electricity by the wind turbines. That is known as a clean energy. That is the reason Denmark is known as country of winds. The oldest scientific department of Government of India is in the year 1767. It has been named as Survey of India. This is the oldest scientific department of Government of India. Next we have Nazim Al Bahar, that is, which is also known as in Sea Breach, is a bilateral naval exercise between the India as well as Oman Navy. It had started from 1993. Koneru Humphrey, we are aware that she is a chess player. She is the youngest woman who has got the Grandmaster at the age of 15 years. The official mascot of Khelo India Youth Games, as you can see in 2020, that is Vijaya. You can see how exactly Vijaya looks like in the internet. In January 2020, the passenger aircraft crashed in Iran soon after taking off from Tehran, Imran Khomeini airport, killing about 170 people on board. The airplane belongs to, as you can see, Ukraine International Airlines. That was exactly that belongs to. Next we have the Milan exercise, whatever happens, the naval multilateral naval exercise, which was hosted by the Vizag cities. In an incandescent electric bulb, the filament of the bulb is made up of which metal? We knew that it's a tungsten, whatever the filament had been made. Two equal resistance R are connected in parallel. The battery of 12 volt is connected across the combination. A D current of 100 microamp flows through the circuit below. That is, answer is, you will find 60 ohms is the right answer. You have to work out. That is your part of baby. Next we have the one of the following is not the unit of energy. As you can see, watt hour, joule and Newton meter, these three are unit of energy, but not the kg meter or second square, because it's a force actually. The following statement is not correct. That is, as you can see, diamond is good conductor of current. It is not correct, because diamond is a bad conductor of current, because we knew that carbon allotropes we have graphite as well as diamond. In prokaryotic organisms, nuclear region is not surrounded by the membrane. The undefined nuclear region is known as what? Nucleoid. The plant tissue has dead cells. As you can see, scalerenes, that is grasses. Cartilage is not found in the urinary bladder, but found in ear, nose and larynx. So whatever the cartilage we have, it is not found in urinary bladder, because that there is no movement in the urinary bladder. We can do the movement of nose, ear as well as larynx is voice box of human. Next we have the two planets orbit the sun in circular orbits with a radius of orbit as well. You can see R1 is R, R2 is 4R. The ratio of their periods is T1 by T2. The around the sun will be near about 1 by 8 as per the Kepler's third law. It can be stated. The metallic wire having the resistance of 20 ohm is cut into two equal parts of length. These parts are then connected in parallel. The resistance of this parallel combination will have, that is 5 ohm is the right answer. I hope you have all written the right one. I expect you guys to go through what are the next phases. Light of the uniform intensity impinges perpendicularly on a totally reflecting surface. If the area of the surface is halved, the radiation force on it will become here about 1/4. Next, with the part of human eye on which the image is formed, that is retina, and whatever the image is formed, that is real and inverted image you will find on the retina. Next, we have a proton enters a magnetic field at right angles to it, as shown above. The direction of the current acting on the portion will be, that is magnetic field makes closed curve current that is towards into the page. That is what exactly happens. The statement about the sound is not correct. That is, sound travels faster in vacuum. Sound waves are transverse waves, as you can see in guitar, but the option is but faster in dry. So D is the correct one. Here faster in dry air has been given. It is not the faster, it is slower in the dry air. The short circuit condition occurs, the current in it increases substantially. Whenever you have the short circuit, the current will be substantially increasing. So these are the 150 questions which have been given. Within half an hour, maximum questions have been discussed. I hope this video will help you a lot in saving maximum time, because it's not that much longer. If you want a 20,000 PDF of GK and GS, you can directly call me 766730 252. Thank you guys. You can share it to your friends, message your friends. Have a good day. Have a great life.